So the roots of Truliant go back to probably mid to late 2020. I had left my role at a Fortune 500 company, and I was looking for my next thing that I might be doing, my next adventure. By that point, I had run the business transformation consulting practice, a large PV business transformation consulting practice, and I went out on my own for a little bit, and over time started to connect with some other trusted colleagues. We put our heads together and thought about what might we do, joining up forces, combining our skill sets and our abilities and our professional networks. And that was really the earliest stages of Truliant. That is a great question. And I would say there was a lot of discussion, probably too much discussion, but we had a good time thinking about the name and what would represent what we believed in, right, as a company, because we knew that we had something very, very unique with the 6 co-founders. We wanted to embody integrity, truth. We toyed with the word brilliant at one point. We toyed with a lot of things, actually. But in the end, we basically invented our own word that embodied all of the concepts that we were striving to convey. We felt that in forming this company, before we had our name, that we were bringing something very unique. We were bringing some of the most skilled PV consultants, management consultants in the world, who all had a proven track record for having delivered some of the most complex PV implementations in history together. And to be honest, in its earliest days, we weren't 100% sure the direction the market was going in. We knew there would be changes ahead. We knew that there would be value that we could bring to clients, even when we were in our smallest and most nascent stage. And I think what we all felt was we can bring something that no one else can bring because of our combined experience and talents. So what makes us different at Truliant is the collective experience we have, the very, very unique projects and implementations and honestly, some of the battle scars that we have from projects successfully delivered over more than a decade together. So I know many people know this. We all come from the same heritage. We all worked in the same company previously, and we essentially grew up together and learned together, which gives us a very strong common bond that no one else, that alone is very difficult to reproduce. And then on top of that, the actual experience from those projects and environments that we were put into together. What does Truliant do? According to our marketing materials, Truliant is a very niche service provider for PV and risk management. We're focused exclusively on that space. And I always tell our clients and our prospective clients that we are problem solvers and doers. We have a very unique blend of domain understanding and also problem-solving business analytical skills with exceptional skills in the PV technology space. I sometimes say this is a niche in a niche. There are a lot of companies and a lot of people who know the PV regulations, they know good practices, they know how to run operations in PV, but to be able to solve the most complex problems that companies are facing really requires a unique skill set, a unique team, and it does take a team, right? The most complex things cannot be solved with one brilliant individual. So we bring the whole team, the whole solution for whatever the client's problem is.